The Mossy Cave Trail is a short but amazing hike just outside the gates of Bryce Canyon National Park. Not only will this trail take you to the Mossy Cave, where you will find gigantic icicles in the winter, but it will also take you to the only waterfall in Bryce Canyon National Park. In the winter, this waterfall is frozen over, adding to an already picture-perfect winter wonderland. What is your favorite frozen waterfall that you've been to? Let us know in the comments.